How to destroy the bed bugs. This is very simple method. See, this is the bed bug. Now we have to take the iron box. Simple method to kill the bed bugs. This is now currently very hot. Take the iron box and put. This is escaping. Finish. Dead. So simple method, you also can try this. Thanks.